can't believe it's taken Ryobi so long to make this change. Ryobi makes some great string trimmers, but they are let down by one key issue, and that's this string trimmer head. This is their bump feed head that they've been selling for years now, and they still currently sell. It's got a really small bump feed action on the bottom here. It's a pain to thread, and if you ever want to remove this head from this back plate, I hope you've got some superhuman strength. Well, I've done a ton of videos on how to rewind the string trimmer head and remove the string trimmer head. This thing sucks, and when I was scrolling through Ryobi's new tool section, which I do regularly because I want to see what tools they're coming out with, I saw something interesting. I saw a Ryobi 18-volt string trimmer with a different string trimmer head, so I bought it to see what it was all about. And well, this thing is so much better. It's so much easier to thread. The bump feed action is so much better because it's the full circumference of the head instead of just a little piece in the bottom here. You don't have any difficulty in turning this because it's a much larger area. You don't have to worry about turning this little knob in the middle. And then when it comes to removing this, it just removes two simple clips, one on either side. You just push them in and it pulls right off. If you're not sure whether the string trimmer you're looking at getting has this new head or not, don't worry, I'll leave some linked in the YouTube shopping tab below that have this new head. Be careful out there if you're buying a string trimmer from Ryobi. If you did just buy one and it has this old style head on it, just return it and get your money back and go and buy one with one of these new string trimmer heads. This is going to be applicable to Ryobi 40 volt and 18 volt string trimmers. The old head I got on my Ryobi 40 volt, and then this new one is the Ryobi 18 volt. Just make sure that it has this large yellow piece on the bottom.